po yung bus? It was supposed to arrive at 8 a.m.
We're sorry for the delay, ma'am. Meron po kasing heavy traffic sa highway that caused the bus to delay.
Worried because I might be late for my work. How long will it take?
The bus should arrive about 20 minutes. I'm really sorry for the inconvenience, ma'am.
I hope the schedule will improve because many passengers rely on being on time.
I understand your concern and we will do better the next time and as soon as possible, re-resolvehan po namin ito. Thank you for your patience, ma'am.
Hello, Master. Good morning. This is Sunrise Hostel. How can I help you? Hello. I would like to reserve a deluxe room for Saturday. Sure, ma'am. Can I get your name, please? My name is Trina Mendoza. Also, I have some question about your rooms and recreational activities. Our deluxe room includes free breakfast, Wi-Fi, and full apps. We also have a gym, spa, and karaoke room. Great! I booked the deluxe room for Saturday at 10 a.m. Your reservation is confirmed for Saturday at 10 a.m. check-in. Thank you for calling. Thank you.
Hello, ma'am, sir. Good morning. This is Sunrise Hostel. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to reserve a deluxe room for Saturday at 10 a.m. check-in.
Sure. Let me check your availability. Your reservation is confirmed for Saturday at 10 a.m. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Hi, I'm here for my 10 a.m. reservation. I booked this room on Tuesday.
Excuse me, I also have a 10 a.m. reservation for the same deluxe room. I booked on Thursday.
I'm very sorry, ma'am, but it seems that there has been a double booking issue. Please let me check first.
should be mine.
But I also received a confirmation. This is unfair.
Good morning. What's going on here?
Good morning, ma'am.
There has been a conflict of schedule reservation. I'm so sorry, ma'am. There was a problem on the reservation. We found out that the first booking was not properly recorded. I'm really sorry po. Miss Gina Mendoza,
I am.
and you are Miss Lily Santos, right?
Yes.
Fortunately, we also have an extra room that are available that was not reserved. So, Miss De Los Santos will also be given that room and no extra charges.
Thank you. Well, that's fine. Thank you for resolving the issue.
We apologize again and we will improve our reservation process to prevent this from happening again. Thank you so much. So, let's go. This is the deluxe room and this is your key card, ma'am. This way, please. This is the single room, ma'am. So here's your key card. We will just give you the same amenities po.
Thank you.
Can I have your order, ma'am?
One serve of pesto pasta and sa drinks po, blue lemonade.
May I repeat your order po? So your order is one pesto pasta and blue lemonade.
Thank you po. Waiter!
Wait, ma'am. Morning, ma'am. Here's the menu.
Waiter! Can I have one pesto pasta and green forest cocktail?
Noted, ma'am. Can I repeat your order?
Yes, please.
So your order is one pesto pasta and one green forest cocktail.
Yes, that's in my plate. What seems to be the problem?
I'm sorry, ma. Please, for a while, I'll just call the manager. Ma? Yes? May complaint ng isang customer. Gusto raw na makausap ang ating manager. Sige, kausapin ko. Good morning, sir. Meron pong complaint sa table 1. Pwede ko po ba?
Sige ako sa akin. Excuse me ma'am, ikaw ba yung nakasabay na daw?
Yes.
Ano ba problema?
As you see, merong buhok sa pagkain ko. Napaka-hygienic naman ng establishment niyo. Di ba kayo nag-practice ng cleanliness?
Tatanungin ko na lang po yung chef namin kung paano pinag-prepare yung food. Hintay niya lang po. Wait for a while. Kate, tatawagin mo ang chef natin para kausapin mo kung saan.
Chef, may complaint daw po sa pagkain. Pinapatawag ka ng manager.
Huh? Okay, sure. Yes, ma'am. Ano ba problema?
Ikaw ba yan naggawa ng pagkain?
Yes, ma'am.
As you see, napakahaba ng buhok na nandito sa pagkain ko. Di ba kayo marunong magkaroon ng proper hygiene?
I am sorry, ma'am, but a while ago, I made sure that the food I prepared is clean. And I made sure to wear my basic uniform. And alam ko po sa sarili ko na malinis po yung pagkakagawa ko. Gusto mo po, ma'am, check natin ang CCTV para malaman mo ang ito.
No! It was your fault! Kaya ganito yung pagkain ko dahil sa'yo.
But, ma'am, I made sure to wear all my PPE uniform. And I know to myself na malinis po yung pagkakagawa ko.
No! Palitan niyo to, ayokong bayaran.
I'm sorry, ma'am, for this to happen.
Wala ang buhok sa pagkain ko. OA ka naman. Excuse me? Are you saying na ako ang may mali dito? Papalitan niyo to at hindi ko babayaran to dahil nag-cause niyo ng inconvenience para sa akin.
But, ma'am, this is too much. And we plan to resolve this issue in the legal matter.
You're being too much for me too because paano ko ma-enjoy yung pagkain ko kung ganito?
I'm guaranteed na malinis yung food preparation nila sa kitchen and alam ko yun kasi ako yung manager dito. Sorry ma'am for the inconvenience po. Para to make sure po, check na lang natin sa CCTV para malinawan tayo.
Wala naman akong ginagawang masama.
Para mas malinawan tayo, check na lang natin yung CCTV para mas malaman natin kung ano yung totoo.
I agree what manager said po.
Ito po yung CCTV footage ko. Tingnan niyo po.
So, nakita mo naman, ma'am, na wala po akong ginawang masama at malinis ang pagkakagawa.
I'm so sorry. I didn't mean it. Sadyang,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
forgot my wallet. And wala naman akong balak kung sira talaga kayo.
Di namin pa, pala lang to silang nangyayari ko kasi ikakasira to ng establishment namin, lalo sa kumpanya natin. Well, alam ko naman yung ginawa nila kasi mas prepared namin yung malinis at magandang servisyo para sa kasunod. Kaya kami na lang ang gagawa ng paraan para kung anong ikakabuti mo, para ikakabuti ng kumpanya namin.
Gagawin ko lahat para lang ma-resolusyon ito at sana huwag niyong ikalat yung footage.
We'll make sure na di namin ilalabas yung video mo. Pero mababan ka na sa restaurant namin.
But, manager, anong gagawin natin para mabayaran yung kasalanan ng kumpanya?
a.m. Where are the other guests na ba?
Good morning, everyone. Sorry for the late noise, but we're still missing a few guests. So we'd like to extend our sincere apologies for the wait. In the meantime, let's get the vibe with some simple entertainment while we wait. Excuse me. Yes. Any problem? We need you for the entertainment for the guests. Oh, sure, no problem.
Sorry, I'm late.
Apologies.
So, I think we're complete. We will start our meeting. So, good morning. We will discuss the global economy. Understanding the global economy, not a single entity but network of interconnected structures or actors. Our meeting ends here today. Thank you. May I take this of you for affirmation?
Sure, ma'am.
I would like to discuss about the matter earlier ago. What was the reason of both of you for being late?
I sincerely apologize, ma'am, for this matter. My car unexpectedly broke down on my way here.
I'm very sorry, Mom. I was having a breakfast this morning and I didn't know there was something in my food that triggered my allergy. But somehow, thankfully, I still managed to attend here.
Since I hear your reasons and I think that's all valid. I hope this